Hey guys, in today's video we will be building a Bluetooth speaker. This is Ayud and let's get started. First, get a PVC pipe which can fit the speaker. Make a mark at about 10 centimeters on the PVC pipe. Then cut it to length. Connect the audio terminals of the Bluetooth board and the audio amplifier. Next, add the power lines. First the ground wire, then the positive wire. Next, connect the speaker to the audio amplifier board. Connect the battery to the battery charging module. Next, add the charging port to the charger. Add 2 more wires to the battery terminals and connect the same with the amplifier board. Add a switch as well. Use hot glue to secure all the connections. Now pass everything through and then secure the speaker in place. Make a backplate out of cardboard and secure the charging port and the switch in place with hot glue. Now squeeze everything inside and secure the backplate and you are done.